This is a tutorial on how to use LockedIn AI on HackerRank. Let's start with the most important feature, Stealth Mode. Click Test Stealth Mode to open a live preview of exactly what gets captured when your screen is being recorded or shared. Toggle it on, and the app disappears from the capture. This works at the operating system level, so it hides the app from any screen sharing or screen recording tool, like Zoom or Google Meet. I'll leave Stealth off for this video so you can see what I'm clicking. Now let me walk you through the most used shortcuts to help you ace your coding interview. To adjust transparency, hover over the eye icon in the upper right corner and slide it up or down. To screenshot the HackerRank coding question and get an answer, press F7. It uploads automatically and gives you a solution you can type into the editor. To use click-through mode, press F8. That lets you type straight into the HackerRank editor while the Copilot stays on top. To pause auto answers but still get the questions transcribed, you can either hover over the three dots and turn on manual mode, or just press Ctrl-Shift-P.
So, tell me about yourself.
With manual mode on, the Copilot will only type out the question without answering, unless you submit the question you want it to answer by clicking the Submit button. To send the latest interview question manually, press Ctrl-Shift-Enter. It pulls the latest question and gives you the answer. Here are the other hotbar shortcuts. Ctrl-Shift-Q maximizes the window, and Ctrl-Shift-Up, Down, Left, Right moves it around, so you can reposition it with just the keyboard. F9 keeps the app always on top, and F10 shows or hides the app window. Ctrl-Shift-Comma scrolls the conversation up, Ctrl-Shift-Period scrolls it down. We also have a pinned feature at the top to keep your most useful answer locked in view. Ctrl-Shift-U creates a cursor window. Escape closes it. Ctrl-Shift-M toggles the microphone, and Ctrl-Shift-S toggles audio. If you don't like any of these defaults, you can set your own. Go to the Keyboard Shortcuts page, click Edit next to any action, press the new key combination you want, then hit Enter to confirm. It autosaves to your account so it follows you across devices. Last but not least, our hotkeys can't be detected by any keyboard listener on the page. They're intercepted at the operating system level, so proctoring scripts and anti-cheat listeners running inside the HackerRank tab are completely blind to them. That's why we recommend controlling the Copilot entirely through shortcuts. Clicking the Copilot pulls your focus away from the HackerRank tab, which may register as you leaving the interview window, and proctoring tools may flag that. Stick with shortcuts, and your focus stays on the editor the entire interview. And if you want extra backup beyond the AI, you can invite a friend through LockedIn Duo. They can send you live guidance and tips, or even take remote control to type the answer for you. And you can use the filter button here to choose which messages you want to see. And that is all. That's our dual-layer AI platform. AI answers from Copilot plus human help from Duo. Stealth mode keeps you invisible, and undetectable hotkeys keep you fast and safe. Try it out on your next interview, and check the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.